and made it happen. Few bumps was in a row, but stay proactive. Yeah, running like my stash still in the Mac.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. Your girl hasn't even. I'm lying. Off the rip, I'm lying. I wrote out my budget, but I didn't do the video. It is what it is. Boom, bada bang. We gonna go straight into the cash envelopes. But if you are new here, thank you so much for returning. Oh, not returning, child, but coming along to my channel. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning. And I hope you already hit that subscribe button. But if you didn't, baby, make sure you go ahead and click that button over there and get all into it, because over here it's a what? It's a vibe. And we do what? Good vibes. So without further ado, we ain't gonna take too long. Let's get into the video, y'all. Okay, child, so this is my cash stuffing. Y'all, I'm not even putting anything in sinking funds because you know what? For this paycheck, I'm broke. Let's just call a spade a spade. I don't know what happened, but this paycheck, I just became broke. I guess it's because it's 1 November and I was like, you know what? I low-key suffered, okay? It's not really suffering, but you know what? That's what it felt like when I was doing this minimum wage. It was good. It was really good. I know I can do it, but child, I'm gonna give y'all a tea in that video. But let's get into this one. I got money. Wait a minute. I feel like this is from this week too. Child, I already spent some of this coins. It's November 4th. Y'all watching this? And I recorded this on November 3rd. Y'all, I spent some of this money. I'm put this 5 over here because I feel like I already spent this coins. And that's where that is from. So I'm gonna put that over here, but let's get into a child. So groceries is getting $100. And so how I broke this out was 2 20s. Oh, it was 3 20s, but obviously I only got 2 because we got prop money in this too, child. But we got 2 20s, we got 4 10s, so 1 2 3 4. We got 4 10s. Ooh, turn around. We got 2 5s. Ooh, 1 2. And y'all, these monies look so stingy. Like they did not want to give me none of the crispy bills apparently, because everybody and their mama from this one is looking dusty. It's looking hella dusty. I ain't even gonna lie to you. It's looking hella dusty. The banks did not like me on that day I went to collect this coin. But anyways, they're doing 10 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this should equal $100 for groceries. Cause baby, I was doing 75 for each paycheck last time. It was not working out. It was working out. Like I was getting by, but I did not need to. The $75 was not doing it for me. I needed a little bit more. So, you know, for November, I'm spoiling myself $100. So groceries supposed to have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Bet. And I'm gonna go grocery shopping today because honestly, it's Wednesday, child. I have food, but I've been putting off going grocery shopping for 3 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh, 5. Let's not forget the weekend. Saturday and Sunday previously, because I got paid on last Friday. But child, it is what it is. So groceries has $100. I don't know why it's in the back. We front appearance around here. Let me put it up front. Y'all, I got me some good sleep too, child. You hear me talking? Ooh, it's been a minute since I've been talking like this in my videos. I got me some good sleep, girl. That's what it is, cause remember? As Drake said, remember? Anyways, next is fuel, and fuel is getting $40, and we do fuel in prop money. And she, ooh, child, no, that's a little bit extra, girl. She getting 2 20s, so 20 and 40. And fuel is propped because we use our credit card cash back, child, and we get a little cash back all we can. And yeah, it's just easier for me to pay at the pump with a card because I don't want to go inside to the cashier, and then you never know how much your gas gonna be. So that's why I keep it propped, y'all, and I keep it in the bank's account. Allowance, child, we gonna skip her for now because I'm guessing whatever's left over is what is allowed to be an allowance. So Just calling a spade because your girl been spending. I wasn't spending in October at all, and I spent. So we'll come back to that. Fine wine, listen, okay? Fine wine, she back in the building. She back in the building, okay? Fine wine used to be gone, but as my girl Chris Budget says, we got to bring her back. And I got me my Stella Rosé. My Stella Rosé be popping. Y'all saw my post on Instagram where I put Stella Rosé up in the building with the dinner. Ooh, child, it was a good night. I slept good, girl. I slept good. So anyways, fine wine's supposed to get $35. That's 20, 30, and 35. Now she got her some property prop in here. And I gave her a real 5, but I don't think she's supposed to get a real 5 because I already spent her. She's supposed to have like $3 because I already spent her. We ain't gonna lie. She got spent. Okay, and now I got me 4 bottles of Stella Rosé. Listen. Excited. Next is Crown. Crown is propped as well. Okay, see? Let's take our fine wine. We're gonna put back this 5 for now. We're gonna come back to allowance and fine wine. But I know this $30 prop money, I took it specifically for Crown, okay? So it's 30, and then she's supposed to get an extra $20 because I need hair conditioner. It's finished. So Crown is supposed to have 20, 30, 40, and 50. I'm supposed to get my hair cut with this 30, and then this 20 is supposed to buy my conditioner. And if you black girl magic sis, you know these conditioners be coming for your pockets like they the government, okay? They be like, woo-doo. And by the time you look, your hair fund is dwindled, okay? So Crown got $50. Household, let's see how much she got. So household right now is 20, 25, 26, and 27, and she's supposed to get $10, which it says on here is 2 5s. So I'm gonna take that 1 5 and this 1 5, and we're gonna put it in here. You see how all these dollar bills looking crusty? It's because we know they're gonna get spent, and I might as well keep my cuties for me. You'll see, they go on my saving challenges. So stay tuned for that video, girl. We coming out with her too. So household now has 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, and 37. And that's household. That is cute. Okay, 37, because we're gonna need some new household stuff. Toiletries. Toiletries supposed to get $10 as well. Right now she has 10, 15, and toiletries is getting 110. So we're gonna do that. And so now toiletries has 10, 20, and 25. That's cute. Very cute. It's very cute. Okay, so toiletries, and that's good. Next we have clothing. Nope. She ain't empty this week, child. She getting some coins. She getting $10. You know, clothing been going through it. She been chilling. She ain't been complaining. Ain't doing none of that, okay? And now she finally getting the recognition that she deserves, and she getting her $10. Let's just give clothing a warm welcome and a warm round of applause for being such a bad boss bitch. You feel me? Because she ain't been complaining or doing nothing. But finally, she get her coins that she deserves. You feel me? So that is clothing. She getting $10. Good on her, sis. She been waiting a long time. She been waiting a long time. Support a friend is not getting anything. Not this month, child. Maybe next month, you know. It is Thanksgiving though, and you know Black Friday is my Christmas spending money, so you know who about to be spending, supporting black business and doing what she do. What she do. It's me, y'all. It's me. I don't know if y'all was catching that, but it's me. Anyways, y'all, YouTube has 10, 15, and $20 in there. She is getting 30. She electronic too for this 30. See, child, wait a minute. Let me get my, this is what y'all gonna see the background and everything in between in this video. Let's just be real. Prop money galore. Coming out. So she's gonna have $30. It's in the bank, y'all. I'm not doing this separately because she's in the bank. I'm gonna let y'all see behind the scenes as well as in front of the camera. That's where we get our props from, and we do what we got to do. So right now YouTube overall has 20, 30, 40, 45, and $50. in YouTube itself. So let's put that there. And all my envelopes are updated, so they got to match. If they don't match, it's a problem. They got to match. Next, what we have? Next, we have going out, and she's getting $10. She's a 10. And she got nothing in there right now. She dusty because child, October she used for October, child. So that's going out. So now she has $10. Boom. Next is business. Business currently has 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80. And we are adding $10 to business. And she's getting a 10. It's the whole 10. Yes, the whole 10, child. Whole 10, nothing but the 10. So swear to God. I don't know, whatever. The whole truth, nothing but the truth. So help me God. All that. You know, the court's saying. I don't remember, child. I just be saying stuff off my top of my head. It is what it is. Business now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, and $90. Okay, that is cute. That is cute, girl. Very cute. So that's business. Next, we have miscellaneous. Miscellaneous currently has how many coins? She has $1, $2, $3, and we will be adding 2 to miscellaneous. So when we add these 2 in miscellaneous, she now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She has $5 total in miscellaneous, which is very cute, child. We love it. Okay, now who did I not go through? I didn't go through allowance. I didn't go through fine wine, y'all. Yes, yes, I know what's going on, child. I'm updated. This $5 is supposed to be in here. Don't ask me how I know. I just know my coins and what they doing. Okay, so we're gonna start off with fine wine first. Like I said, baby girl, yes, baby girl. I bought me 4 bottles. Was it 4 or was it 3? I sound like a whole alcoholic, but don't mind that. I bought 3 bottles of Stella Rosé. They came out to $33 to be exact, and Stella Rosé was getting 35. So 35 minus 33 leaves you with $2. So this is a $2 that's going into fine wine. Don't worry, under 15 paychecks you will get in some acquaintances and they will be fulfilled to buy some more Stella Rosé. Okay, so fine wine is getting $2 and she matches right there. Allowance says I have $24. That's a lot, child. The way I've been spending, booking, and driving, I ain't got no money except whatever is left right here because everybody else got their coins. Okay, so allowance is getting $5, $10, and $15 put in there, which, child, I think my allowance is done. I bought me some ice cream. I bought me some Popeyes. What else did I buy? I'm pretty sure I bought something else too. I don't remember what it is, but I'm pretty sure I did because this $15 is used and abused already, child. I don't think I have anything for the next 2 weeks, and it's only the 4th when y'all watching this. So groceries fulfilled, fuel, allowance, fine wine, crown, household, toiletries, clothing, support a friend, ain't got nothing. YouTube, going out, business, miscellaneous. I did that. I don't know about you, but I did that. So that is all for this cash stuffing video, baby. I wish we was doing a whole little more, but it is what it is. Boom, bada bang, cute, tada tang. Don't know what that second saying is, but just get into it, child. If you've watched me for a long time, you know when I get excited and my videos is your girl speaks and she speaks whatever comes out of her mouth. And sometimes it's funny, sometimes it's hilarious, sometimes it's just it. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my fun. I had fun, child. Just talking, getting to know you, getting to know all about you. Let me wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do enjoy the content here, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment down below, and share this video with a family, friend, or foe, because even your enemies need blessings, okay? And don't forget, budgeting is ghetto, but budgeting is real, so keep it real, sis. My name is AnekeAnnakay. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one, okay? Bye!
How you won't get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.